Alright, let's look at the homework 3.1 problem number 5. Alright, so we want to find the equation of the tangent line to this curve at 1, 1. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so in order to find the equation of the tangent line, we need two pieces of information. First one is a point. Right, so I'm going to call it x1, y1, which is given 1, 1. So we don't have to do any work to get that. And number two, we need to find the slope. Right, I'm going to call it m. Right, so we need to find the derivative of this function. So y prime is equal to, right, before we take the derivative, we need to rewrite the equation, right? So 9x, I like it as it is, but square root of x, I'm going to write it as x to the 1/2 power, right? So derivative of 9x would be just 9, and the negative 8, just leave it here, negative 8. Right, so put 1/2 in front and power rule, and subtract 1 from the power, so negative 1/2. Right, then we can cancel 8 and 2, and that'll be 4. So we can write it as this is going to be 9 minus 4 on top. Right, so negative power, so I'll put x on the bottom, and 1/2 is square root. Alright, so what we need to do is we can just plug in x value, in this case 1. So we have a y prime of 1, which is 9 minus 4 over square root of 1. Right? So it's a 9 minus 4, which is 5. Right? So the equation is we're using the point slope form, which goes something like a y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Right? Remember, this is point slope form. Right, so we can find we can get y minus y1 is 1 is equal to m is 5, and x minus x1 is 1 as well. Right, so I'm gonna just distribute 5 to both terms. We have 5x minus 5. Then we can simply add 1 to both sides. So y is equal to 5x minus 5 plus 1, so it's minus 4. Alright, so let's type it in. Oops. Alright, we got y equals 5x minus 4. Right, and then we just find a graph. Right, so since this original function is only defined for non-negative x, because there's a square root of x, so there should be a graph only on the right hand side of the y-axis. Right, so the top two would be good, but the bottom two looks like these are not going to be correct, because the graph is on the left hand side of the y-axis, so it's going to be either the first one or the second one. Right, but the tangent line is 5x minus 4, so it has a positive slope, so first one looks good, but the second one you have a horizontal tangent line, so slope is 0, so this is not going to be it. So the correct picture is the first one. Alright, let's submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got the tangent line correctly, and also the graphs correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.